Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, May the 9th. S&P yesterday rallied, got close to all-time highs, but close no cigar, got as high as 1885. The all-time high is 1892. Did back off, ended up being negative on the day in the futures. 1872 down 2 points. The low of the session was 1865, so wide range trying to find some direction. Futures, though, did finish positive in the Dow, up 42 at 16,510. The NASDAQ, not so much. Lower once again, 35.37 down. 35.37 and a half on the session was a close. The big move was in the dollar. Went down and made some new relative lows, 78.93 new lows. Then we had some Draghi talk, give some sell-off to the euro currency. The close on the dollar was 79.40, up 16. The euro ended up being down 63 at 138.52. Made some new highs at 139.93. Almost printed that 140 level, but not quite before the scare back down. The bond market up 6, 136.06, new relative highs there as well, 136.22. So we're seeing some major action in the financials here recently. Crude oil down 50 cents at $100.25 a barrel. Very tight range, only $1 between the high and the low as it tries to find some direction, but still above $100. And the gold market didn't go down much. It was down $1 at $12.88, steady there with some of the action in the dollar. The downslide hasn't helped gold here that much this week, but we'll wait to see if it plays some catch up here in the near future. So after the mixed action yesterday in the seesaw market, where do things stand here on this Friday morning to end the trading week? Well, we're off a little bit. We're down 3 in the E-mini S&P, 1869 right now. 1874.5 was last Friday's close, so we'll want to see where we finish for the week on a positive or a negative note. Dow futures are down 20, 16,490, and the Nasdaq continues to slide, 35.29, down 8.5. The dollar index getting a bit of a bounce, up 21 at 79.62 after those new relative lows yesterday. The euro currency below the 138 level, 137.93 is the last trade there, down 60. Bonds a couple of ticks higher, 136.09. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.42, and on the 10-year note we're at 2.60 to keep an eye on that. Crude oil's up 40 cents right now at $100.65 a barrel is where it stands right now. And gold getting a little bit of an uptick, up 4 at 12.92. See where it can stand on that 1,300 threshold that we keep an eye on a weekly basis. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're off a little bit, down 20 in the Dow futures and down 3 in the E-mini S&P, but within striking distance of last Friday's close. I will see you early Monday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.